What we're going to do here is we're going to turn down the temperature of an electric hot water heater. Now this particular water heater, I don't know what the temperature is set on, but it's running way too hot. And not only does that burn a lot of excess electricity that you don't really need to use, but it's also unsafe for either young children or the elderly. They can't feel it, they can't react to it. The suggested temperature for efficiency and safety is around 120 degrees. And this is a fairly simple adjustment on an electric hot water heater. If you have propane or some other type, then this will not be the procedure for you. If your water heater has been wrapped in fiberglass or some additional insulation, then just gently remove it. We had to pull fiberglass away from this water heater. And what you're looking for are these covers. Now typically underneath probably this cover, we'll find a little dial. So let's remove this. It usually takes a screwdriver, and we'll pull this cover off just like this. And that will pop right out just like that. And we'll lay this up here. And we'll pull back that insulation just like that. And right in here, we can see a little dial. And this is set for somewhere around, I don't know, 135 or 40 degrees. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn that dial until we're shooting for around 120. Now I see a setting of 125. I'm going to go just very slightly underneath the 125 setting. Right there. And then you fold this right back where it came from. And we're going to reinstall this cover right where it came from. You put your screw back in just like that. This particular water heater has an upper thermostat and also a lower one. So we have turned this dial down to just below 125 degrees, set on the dial. And then we take off the second cover down low, and we do the exact same thing. Peel this back, and down in here you will find the little dial, and we'll set that down to just underneath the 125 setting, and we'll tuck that right back in where it came from, just like that. We'll put this cover right back on where it goes, put that screw in place, and retighten the screw. It needs to be understood that not every water heater will have two thermostats. Some do, some don't. You may have just one cover, or you may have both. So if you only see one cover, don't be bothered by it. Fix that one cover, take it off, do the thermostat underneath, you'll be all set. If you see two covers, check them both. And you're done. Very, very simple. And you'll save money and you'll increase your safety.